Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious tuna omelet. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 large eggs, 1 can of tuna, and 1 tablespoon of milk. Also, prepare 1/4 cup of finely chopped onion and 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley. Don't forget salt, pepper, and 1 tablespoon of butter for cooking. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare our flavorful tuna filling. Begin by thoroughly draining your can of tuna to remove any excess liquid. This prevents a watery omelet. Next, in a small bowl, combine the drained tuna with your finely chopped onion. Stir in the fresh parsley, adding salt and pepper to your liking. Mix everything well until all the ingredients are evenly distributed, creating a delicious base for your omelet. It's time to cook the omelet itself. In a separate bowl, whisk your 2 eggs with 1 tablespoon of milk, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper until light and frothy. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium heat, ensuring it coats the entire surface. Pour the egg mixture into the hot pan, swirling it gently to create an even layer. Cook until the edges set and the center is almost firm. Finally, let's assemble and serve your delicious tuna omelet. Once the omelet is almost set, spoon the prepared tuna mixture onto 1/2 of the cooked egg. Carefully fold the other half of the omelet over the filling, creating a neat crescent shape. Continue to cook for an additional 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the filling to warm through. Gently slide your perfectly cooked omelet onto a plate and serve immediately for the best taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.